Hello guys, this is Richard Williams Jr. here with another video for you guys from Profits of Forex. Before I start, I wanted to apologize. I usually put out our forecast. Super Bowl weekend was a little compact and a lot to unpack in. So I didn't get to do that, but definitely from now on, I will always make sure I put out the forecast for you guys and give you some ideas of some of the trades I'm looking at. I actually will record a video that I'm going to go through some of the trades that I actually took, and why I went through them and, what I was thinking when I took those trades. But that'll be in another video. Today, I wanted to go through real quick and show you a real quick setup, a real quick strategy that you can kind of catch when the market's beginning to move and get ready to do what we call the breakouts. Now, this strategy kind of is built on the fact of confluence or confirmations, as we would call them. Having a lot of layers of that confidence will help you be able to just kind of take the trade, as well as having a set of rules you can follow. We talked about rules, whatever rules you have for yourself in your trading, follow those rules. They'll usually keep you profitable. They'll keep you honest. So in this, I'm going to show another strategy. I know I went through a series where I did nothing but moving averages. In this strategy, we'll use one as a level of confluence in this, but it won't be built around the moving average strategy. So today I wanted to show you the breakout strategy, or what I call the major impulse move strategy, where you're catching the correction. After the correction of the move, you're catching the next level of impulse. If you ever know anything about the Elliott wave goes one move, correction, two moves, correction, and so on. All right, and we'll go into that and actually in another video as well. So today I wanted to show how you can set this strategy up, and then you can catch the moves. I'm going to share with you the rules as well, all of that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take all of these off of my calendar, off of my charts. I'm going to take all of these off my charts, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and set everything up. All right, I'm going to use a yin pair because I believe they're really good when it comes to the strategy and when you identify it as well. So we'll go with that. I'm going to let me use the Audi pair. And that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to go in, we're going to our indicators, guys. Basically what you want to do is I'm going to show you other ways and levels that you can kind of catch. We're going between moves. These are what we call our whole numbers and levels in which bank institutions love to trade at and push the market to and from. Okay, this is their take profits. This is where they do a lot of the accumulation above here at the top of these numbers. It's easier for them to calculate and take to calculate and output it using certain frames and numbers. So they use the 00 or the 000. They'll use the 50 mark, 0, and the halfway mark, as well as points of where they can get in, or points they can take profits and so on. But in this video, we're just going to show you how to set up the breakout strategy for those that are starting out. I've kind of gone into it. Usually I'll tell you, but if you haven't and you're watching this, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment in the comment section below, put something in the comments that's beneficial to everybody else. That's what we're here for, to build up one another, right? This is all in real time. You're seeing the charts as you move, which is really good. And what you're going to see me, how I set this strategy up. I mean, you can do a different couple of levels on this as well. But, what we're going to do is we're going to, set it up in a way that you'll have a number of things that you can look and glance at. You can see it. And you're looking for certain things. And once you check those things off, you're free to go ahead and engage your trade. All right. So we're going to set everything up real quick. We'll go to indicators. right? And we're going to go in to our indicators, and I think I did put it here. So we want to do, I already have this favorite, which what you want to look at is, let's look up parabolic SAR, right? I already had this favorite. So you want to press that. And then you want to also, we're doing our moving average. So you do an exponential moving average, right? That's our exponential moving average, right? So look up moving average. And we're going to do our daily open, guys. So the next one is, and I'll spell it all the way out, is daily open by TV Daz. All right. We're going to put that in here. No, that just made me go to the page. I just want the indicator. Thank you. So now that we have all that, right? And the rules are simple, right? Now, first of all, let's set up our moving average, because this is right now set to a default of 9 period. We don't want that. We're going to use a 25 period moving average, right? See how smoother that is? And we're going to give you the rules. Now, the rules are simply, we want this green line, which is our daily open, to be green. And, or if it's a buy, we're looking at a buy, we want it to be green. If it's a sell, we want to look at it and it be red, right? We want to have price somehow come back and retouch or retest this daily open, right? So that now it kind of fortifies itself as holding up as support. That's rule 2, right? Then we also want to look below. We'll see where our moving average is. Once we got our moving average breaking below and price is pushing above it, that's our next check to check off on this strategy. And then we're looking for 3 of these dots from the parabolic SAR. All right. Once we have all of those in congruence, all of those in alignment, then we are able to take this trade. Now, particularly, we wait for price to break above, like I said, and then it retests, right? This would be a good time to take it because it kind of met all of our qualifications. It went up, came back and retested this area right here on the daily open. We have 3 dots on the parabolic SAR, as well as our moving average, and price has broken up above it, right? You get what I'm saying? We'll go back here. We'll do another example right here on this trade. Right here, you can see. Now, what I normally do, and as you can see in my charts, I normally do stuff like this, right? I see this area, and what I'll do is I'll draw a box, right, guys? And for me, this box is important because I'm also using that as another level of confirmation or confluence, right? And basically what I'm using this as another level where I can really kind of make it really more clear that price is moving in that direction. So what I usually do is I draw out a box, and because we're adding this to the strategy, this is ways to enhance what we're just talking about. Number 1, the rules are simple. The green bar has to be, the daily open has to be green or red. Green for a buy, red for a sell. Then you're looking for 3 dots below on the parabolic SAR. Once you have those, that's rule number 2. You checked off the second box. The moving average, price is broken above and moving above it, right? That's it. We're looking for a retest back on that daily open and then price to push up. That's 4. All those rules confirmed that price is moving up. That's when we take the trade. Now, to add another level to that, if you wanted to make being even more sure, I draw out my boxes, like I said, like this, and I usually wait for price to break above. Now, that next candle gives me an indication of where price is going, and I'll get in on this candle right here. All right. So what I'm saying is, you're seeing this in real time. Price has come down and it's done this and it's going up, right? This is just one of the few examples, but this is a way to catch the moves out, right? The moves and breakouts. The reason why is because the daily open usually holds strong and true to what it is. It's usually holding as a support or a level of resistance, right? So that's why we're using the daily open as a way of being able to indicate where price may be going, right? Just a direction, right? But we're also laying that with other levels of, indicators and ideas that we can use to support our bias maybe for a buy or our bias for a sell in the market, right? So that's what the strategy is all about. Now, I didn't want to be real long when I just wanted to show you the strategy real fast. But as you can see, price is going up, right? Look, price went up from here, went up, and that was 153 pips. All right, guys, that's 153 pips. Now I'll show you real quick. I'm in this trade going up, right? I did this strategy so you guys can see that it works, right? I'm taking this trade and I'm currently in profit right now, right? 3 parabolic SAR little dots, right? The daily open is green, and I had a retest to the daily open and it held, which it did. Price is pushing above this 25 period moving average. All right. And we buy. That's it. Right. You're seeing it now in real time. This is the market has already moved, but this is the market moving, and I'm in this current trade. I'm in a lot of these trades over here. I'm in US JPY the same way, in Euro JPY, NZD, USD. And I'm telling you that if you guys can master this simple strategy, it'll definitely help you catch those moves. Now, we do not take anything in this. Remember, guys, we're going to go over this a lot more detail, but this is what we consider to be consolidation. We're not taking any trades here. When the price comes close together like this and it's clustered, we're not looking at this. We're looking only to take price as price pushes away from this. This is why we usually draw our boxes here. This would be what we would call a level of accumulation, and then price begins up. Actually, it went down, then went up. So that would actually end up making it a distribution box where price pushed down, then price went up. But anyway, with that being said, this is to help you out. You know, once again, I'll go over the rules. The rules are simple. We want our daily open, if it's a buy, to be green, red for a sell, right? We want price to break above that daily open and retest it, right? Then we want 3 parabolic SAR little dots. I want to call them buttons, but little dots below to be there, right? We want at least 3 dots, and we want price to be pushing above this 25 moving average. Those are all our confluences, our levels of confirmation. Then we take the trade. All right, guys. So I hope that this has helped. Let me know in the comment section below. If you use the strategy before, maybe you have a perspective on different ways to really kind of dial this up. Let me know in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and we look forward to talking to you guys in the next video. Until then, guys, happy trading. Thank you guys for supporting us here at Profits of Forex. And I'm Richard Williams for Profits of Forex, where trading is simplified.